Hey everyone, Jess here from the Business of Reselling podcast and Storage Warrior. I just wanted to quickly tell you about an eBay seller webinar that I'm running on Sunday, December 8th. That's at 6 p.m. Pacific time and 9 p.m. Eastern time. So let me give you a little background about what this is about and where it came from. So I'm a small time Poshmark seller, big time eBay seller, as most of you know. And I'm in a Poshmark selling group where people are frustrated because Canada Post is on strike and Poshmark Canada only produces Canada Post labels, which means that all of these sellers are stuck and paralyzed and can't run their small businesses if they're solely relying on Poshmark. So a lot of people are interested in pivoting over to eBay, and many of them are pretty new to the platform. And so last week I actually ran a free webinar and over 225 people signed up for that session. And we talked all about how to get started on eBay, just launching your new account, how to set up managed payments and all those basic things. But now there's a lot of demand for a follow-up webinar. So we're going to go a little bit deeper into how to sell on eBay, create great listings, how to ship if you're in an urban or a rural area, what options are available to you. We're going to talk about how to sell things faster and do a little bit of your own marketing on eBay. And if there's time, we may even get to a bit of a discussion about sourcing. So there's going to be tons of value in this workshop, and it's only $20. The link will be here for you to sign up. Don't forget to do that. Even if you can't make it on December 8th at 6 p.m. Pacific or 9 p.m. Eastern, the workshop will be recorded and you'll have access to the recording for at least a week after the live session. So don't hesitate, sign up. If you're relatively new to eBay or you're just a little bit confused about how to optimize your sales and how to sell things a little bit faster on the platform, this is going to be a great session for you. So make sure you sign up. The link is in the description below. See ya.